Here's how the map on visitmayphim.com works. We start on our phone by opening the menu in the top right corner, which takes us to the next page. As we scroll down a bit, we arrive at the Mae Phim map section. When the map page opens, you'll first see some brief explanatory text, along with simple instructions that describe what the different buttons do when you interact with the map. Scrolling further down, we reach the map itself, where all locations featured on Visit Mae Phim are marked. By tapping the icon in the top left corner, all available markers become visible. These markers are divided into clear categories, making the map easy to customize based on what you're looking for. For example, if you're only interested in markets, you can simply turn off the other categories. By deselecting the red boxes, those categories disappear from the map, making it much clearer and easier to navigate. In this case, we turn off restaurants and beaches, keep markets selected, and also deselect excursion spots. When we return to the map, only the markets remain visible. Tapping on one of the icons reveals which market it is, along with a short description shown at the bottom of the screen. We can tap another market, and then a third, each time seeing its details displayed below. Next, we go back to the menu again. This time, we turn off markets and select excursion spots instead. Now, only excursion destinations are visible on the map. When navigating around the map, it's important to use 2 fingers. Otherwise, the map will let you know. Tapping on any icon shows which destination it represents. If we then select markets again, we can view 2 categories at the same time. Both markets and excursion spots are now visible together on the map. I hope this guide helps you understand how to use the map effectively, and that it becomes a helpful resource for you during your holiday in Laem, Mae Phim, Thailand.